DIY. If you're new here, I make dog recipe and dog bakery business videos, and I'm currently working on a how to start a dog bakery business course, and it'll be launching really soon. I'm so excited, I can't wait! I have some great news. I finally have some tangible course updates for you, and we'll be dropping them in your inbox very soon. It'll be a downloadable update. It'll have an outline of the course modules, lessons, pricing, and launch dates. I'll also be including a DIY roadmap for you just in case you don't want to take the course and research on your own. You can also use the course module outlines as your guide as well. So make sure you're signed up for the mailing list so you can get all the details. If you're not subscribed to our mailing list, I'll add a link in the description box below so you don't miss out. After all the inquiries I've been receiving about the course, I decided to create 3 courses to meet the needs of everyone. The first course I'll be launching is the How to Start a Dog Bakery, and this will be the complete course. This course is for US only. The reason because all of the regulations, information, and supplies are US based. I would feel so bad if anyone living outside the US were to purchase this course and may not receive any value because they're not able to get the same ingredients, supplies, and etc. But don't worry, I got you, and I'll let you know what I have in store for you in about a minute. The second course is for those with already existing dog bakeries who want to take their decorating skills to the next level. The working title is the Professional Dog Bakery Decorating Workshop. This course will have all things decorating galore, and I'll show you how to decorate Instagram-worthy cakes, cookies, and treats. I'm hoping to launch this course in about mid to late October. Again, this is for US only. The third course is for my international friends. The International Dog Bakery course launch is currently to be determined. There are several things I need to research and figure out before I can officially announce a launch date. I'm so sorry I'm unable to give you a timeline, but once I have it, I promise I'll share it with you guys ASAP. One thing I want to add is if you purchase any of the courses I mentioned or any future courses, you'll have lifetime access to everything, even the course updates. Pretty awesome, right? In the meantime, if you are interested in signing up for the course, here are 3 things you can accomplish before the course begins. Number 1, contact your state's Department of Agriculture and ask them what forms, fees, and regulations they have about producing and selling dog treats. I would do this before you set up your business or enroll in the course. It's important to know what your state's regulations and requirements are before you start the process so you can prepare and operate in compliance with your state. Number 2, choose your business name. Believe it or not, this is where a lot of people get stuck because they spend too much time deciding on a name. I get it, choosing a business name is super important because it is your brand. What I personally like to do is I like to write down all the possible names for business. It can be 10, 20, 30, heck 50 if you want. Then I'll step away for a day or 2, come back to the list, and cross out all the names I'm not liking anymore until I have my top 3. From then, I'll choose according to the domain and social availability. Number 3, create a vision board or Pinterest board with images of brand colors, types of packaging, treat or cake inspiration, and your mission statement. This will help you hone in on your branding and your target customer. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. I am so thankful for all of you who subscribed, watch, and like my videos. It means the world to me, and you guys are the absolute best. You can always connect with me on Instagram at Bobby and Bambi's Dog Bakery and at Dog Bakery Academy. Don't forget to subscribe to the mailing list so you can get your roadmap course outline and special pricing dates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends!